Hey guys. So, happy Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, whatever day it is. It's another day to change your life. It's another day to help someone else to change their life. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about Total Life Changes. There's a lot of people that have no clue about what Total Life Changes is. People don't know that Total Life Changes is a health and wellness business that you can create your own. If you always wanted to open up a health and wellness company, or you're into health and wellness and you don't want to create your own product, or you're into fitness, or you're into personal training people to get them to help themselves get in shape and stuff like that, then you need to be a part of Total Life Changes. Okay, these are instant gratification, guys, products. Okay, so when I first started using this tea about 3 years ago, I want to say that I was, I couldn't go to the bathroom on the regular. I wasn't regulated because I really wasn't focused on my health. And what Total Life Changes allowed me to do was to focus on my health. And I always tell people that, I have customers and teammates and things of that nature, that TLC allows you to focus on your health, okay, and wellness, okay? So it's not just a weight loss. We have weight loss products, okay, but it's focused on your well-being, okay, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, relationally, okay? So Total Life Changes, guys, allows us to think about our well-being, because here's the thing. Once you become a customer of drinking 2 cups of tea a day, going to the bathroom, losing all the slugs and the parasite and the gut weight that we have, because most people that lose the 5 pounds in 5 days lose the gut weight, which is the parasites, which is the toxins, okay? I want you guys to understand something. Before Total Life Changes, I didn't know nothing about, we're eating parasites and we're inhaling toxins every day. I didn't realize that, right? And now, of course, I do, right? Every day, I think about the toxins and the parasites and all that because of Total Life Changes. Now, any food that we eat, guys, have toxins. Any foods that we eat have parasites. The thing is, parasites don't just leave your body, okay? Parasites don't leave your body. In turn, this is why so many people have big stomachs, big guts, have all these conditions and diseases, because they have too much slugs and too much junk and parasites inside their body, right? So if you never cleanse your body, imagine you never cleaning your car out, or you cleaning your car engine, or you never flushing your bathroom toilet. How would it smell and how would it look? Okay, so if you never did a detox, guys, a gentle detox, then this is exactly what you need to do, because if not, it's going to look like you never flush the toilet, right? You go to the bathroom every day, but you never flush the toilet, right? So with Total Life Changes, it allowed me to understand that my health is my wealth, because there's people that are sick, never did a detox, they got money, but they're sick, right? They're sick. Employees are the people that are the most sick, the most constipated, the most people that get high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, gout, all this other stuff, because people are not cleaning. It's crazy, right? Cleaning your body, guys. You don't supposed to detox once a year, twice a year. That's like saying you eat once a year or you eat twice a year. We eat every day. This is why this tea is so gentle that a 5-month-old baby can drink the tea, detox and cleanse. Everybody have parasites. Remember, even when you're pregnant, you have parasites. Okay? You literally have parasites, and the baby's getting all of your parasites. So it's just so crazy that what we don't know can literally kill us, right? What we don't know can literally kill us. So I love this tea, okay? I love this tea, okay? My body's regulated now. I'm not bloated anymore. I don't feel constipated. I'm not constipated. I'm going to the bathroom the way I need to. I'm helping others go to the bathroom the way, they need to. There's a lot of men and women who can't go to the bathroom. There's studies shown that there's a lot of people also too that go to the bathroom and die on the toilet from straining because they're so constipated, guys. We got to take our life and our health, guys, by the throat in 2019, 2020, 2021. Too many people are dying, guys, because they do not detox, they do not cleanse, they do not go to the bathroom the right way. And then having mental clarity. See, this allows us to have mental clarity, because when we have a lot of parasites and toxins, it fumigates our brain, so we can't think right, we get frustrated, we can't sleep right, you know, we worried about all this different, you know, things and stuff, and we worried about our health. A lot of people worry about their health, but they do nothing about it, right? So for $20, you can go on my website, okay, and get you a week's supply of this tea right here, right? I'll put the link below, right? And you can get a week's supply of this tea. Okay, this tea, guys, will allow you, okay, to detox, cleanse, and go to the bathroom. Most people lose 5 pounds in 5 days, okay, simply from your colon weight. The parasites is what you're losing, and we have about 60 pounds of parasites inside of our colon. Right, TLC has all of this information, you know, for us to tap into. This is how I know this stuff, right? And when I started drinking the tea, I started immediately seeing my stomach go down. And I was like, wait, hold on, what is this? This must be a miracle tea or something. But the parasites is what was keeping my stomach big. The bloating is what was keeping my stomach big. It wasn't until, I'm telling you guys, the TLC, this tea right here, that helped me to detox and cleanse and go to the bathroom. Now it's been 3 years, guys. You know, I lost over 70 pounds. I used to be a size 22. Now I'm damn near pushing like a 16. I could, like some 14s. You know, I can fit, and I lost a lot of weight on, well, a lot of inches around my waist, because like I said, it takes the colon weight away, okay? Your stomach weight, the bloating. You know, I know there's women that look like they're pregnant all the time, but it's just because they got bloating. They got too many parasites in them, guys. So we got to cleanse, we got to detox, we got to go to the bathroom, and that's natural things, okay? We will see that these are natural things, guys. This has natural stuff in it, natural herbs in it, guys, that is helping people go to the bathroom, cleanse, and detox, guys. We can monitor our own health. We don't need the doctor to monitor our health. We take our health in our own hands. The doctors only prescribe medication that kills us. We can take our health in our own hands, guys. But you got to be disciplined. You got to invest in the construction of your health, guys. The reality is, if you don't invest in herbs and in the gym and focusing on better health every year, then you're going to focus on the destruction of your health. That means you're going to buy medications. That means you're going to be buying fast food. That means you're going to be buying, you know, all these supplements that, you know, make your heart pump real fast. Right? We want to live. Do you want to live longer? Right? So you got to put the right stuff in your body, put the right stuff in your mind, so that we can live longer. So get myhealthtea.com. Get you a week's supply of this tea. If you buy 2, you get 1 free. You know, if you buy 2, okay, you buy 2 packs of these on my site, you get 1 free, and I may send you some NRG, which also helps you to have energy. I may send you some coffee. We have a weight loss coffee if you, you know, drink coffee, right? I'll send you like a, you know, a cup of coffee, and I'll send you the instant tea. We also have instant tea that literally just put, shake, go. Get myhealthtea.com, guys. Total life changes. It's time to make a total life change.